The Mi 11X Pro is 5G enabled. It is slim and lightweight and comes with DisplayMate A+ and an IP53 rating. It is available in Celestial Silver, Cosmic Black and Lunar White colors. The phone comes with two variants to choose from: 8GB RAM plus 128GB internal memory and 8GB RAM plus 256GB internal memory that allows for seamless multitasking. Mi 11X Pro has a 6.67-inch FHD Plus AMOLED Dot display with HDR10 Plus support for an immersive viewing experience. The 120Hz refresh rate and 360Hz touch sampling ensures a smooth scrolling experience. The phone comes with dual speakers with Dolby Atmos support. The phone comes with a 108-megapixel triple rear camera with 8-megapixel ultra-wide and 5-megapixel super macro camera. It also features a 20-megapixel front camera. Powered by MIUI 12, based on Android 11, with Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Octa-core processor, the phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. Mi 11X comes with a 4520 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charger. The box includes handset, power adapter, USB cable, SIM eject tool, warranty card, user guide, clear soft case, screen protector pre-applied on the phone, and Type-C to 3.5mm converter. This product comes with standard brand warranty.